Travel adventures deserve aerial footage that's easy to capture and share. Today, we're going over the best drones for travel from our top picks. Combine portability, flight performance, camera quality, and battery life for stunning shots on the go. Here are the top options that make every journey more memorable and visually impressive. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. DJI Mini Drone. The DJI Mini Drone is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists looking for a lightweight yet capable aerial photography solution. Weighing less than 249 grams, it eliminates the need for FAA registration in many recreational situations, making it a convenient option for casual users. One of its strongest features is the 4K Ultra HD camera paired with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which produces impressively smooth and cinematic footage. Whether capturing landscapes, sunsets, or family gatherings, the image quality remains sharp and vibrant. The drone's ability to resist level 5 winds and operate at high altitudes provides confidence when flying in challenging outdoor environments. Beginners will appreciate the one-tap takeoff and landing system, GPS return-to-home functionality, and stable hovering capabilities that make flying straightforward and stress-free. Battery options ranging from 31 to 93 minutes of total flight time allow users to choose a package that matches their needs. Intelligent quick shops such as Helix, Rocket, Circle, and Boomerang help create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. Number 2. DJI Neo 2 Drone. The DJI Neo 2 drone is designed for users who prioritize portability, convenience, and effortless content creation. At only 151 grams, this compact drone is incredibly easy to carry and store, making it ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, and everyday use. The inclusion of full coverage propeller guards enhances safety during transport and flight, making it particularly appealing to beginners and families. One of the standout features is its palm takeoff and landing capability, which allows users to launch and recover the drone without a traditional takeoff surface. Gesture controls further simplify operation, enabling hands-free interactions that feel modern and intuitive. Active track technology ensures subjects remain centered in the frame, making it easier to record dynamic activities without constant manual adjustments. The integration with Apple Watch adds another layer of convenience, allowing users to monitor flight status and control tracking features remotely. Image quality is another highlight, with 4K video recording delivering crisp footage suitable for social media, personal memories, and creative projects.
Number 3. Bwine F7MINI Mini Drone. The Bwine F7MINI Mini Drone stands out as a feature-packed mini drone designed for users who want premium performance without the bulk of larger aircraft. Weighing under 249 grams, it offers convenient operation while remaining highly portable for travel, outdoor adventures, and recreational photography. The drone's 48-megapixel camera with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor captures highly detailed images, while 4K video recording ensures impressive clarity and color reproduction. Its 3-axis stabilized gimbal is one of the most valuable features, effectively minimizing vibrations and maintaining smooth footage even during fast movements or windy conditions. The upgraded brushless motor system provides strong wind resistance and a top speed of 31 miles per hour, allowing stable flight in diverse environments. Another major advantage is the generous flight time, with 3 batteries providing up to 96 minutes of total flying time. Long-range digital transmission reaching up to 20,000 feet helps maintain a reliable connection and high-quality live video feed. Safety features such as smart return to home, dynamic home point tracking, and a powerful locator buzzer offer additional peace of mind. Number 4. Ruko F11PRO Drone. The Ruko F11PRO Drone is built for users seeking a reliable, beginner-friendly drone with premium imaging capabilities and extended flight performance. Its standout feature is the 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which significantly reduces vibrations and produces smooth, professional-looking footage. Combined with 4K video recording and high-resolution 6K photography, the drone captures detailed images suitable for travel memories, family events, and creative projects. The F11 Pro is particularly appealing to new pilots thanks to features like one-key takeoff and landing and a dedicated beginner mode. These functions reduce the learning curve and help users gain confidence during their first flights. Safety is another strong area, with GPS auto return to home ensuring the drone can automatically return when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or the pilot activates the return command. The inclusion of 2 intelligent batteries provides up to 70 minutes of combined flight time, allowing longer sessions without frequent charging interruptions. Wind stability is enhanced by the advanced gimbal system, making it easier to capture smooth footage in outdoor conditions.
Number 5. Potensic ATOM Drone. The Potensic ATOM Drone delivers an impressive blend of affordability, portability, and advanced functionality, making it a strong competitor in the lightweight drone market. Weighing less than 249 grams, it is easy to carry and often avoids registration requirements for recreational users. Its foldable design allows convenient storage in backpacks or even larger jacket pockets, making it ideal for travel and outdoor exploration. The drone features a 4K camera equipped with a Sony sensor capable of capturing detailed 12-megapixel photos and smooth 4K video at 30 frames per second. Potensic's Shake-Vanish electronic stabilization technology helps reduce unwanted camera movement, producing cleaner footage during flight. The ATOM's brushless motor system provides level 5 wind resistance, ensuring stable operation in moderate outdoor conditions. Beginners will appreciate the Surgefly flight control system, which offers dedicated flight modes and a beginner mode for easier learning. 2 intelligent batteries provide a combined flight time of up to 62 minutes, allowing users to spend more time flying and less time charging. That wraps up the top 5 best drones for travel. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.